Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can log out of your Gmail account. So press on Google, press Gmail, go to search, and now what you want to do is just go to settings. When you are in the settings, you want to click on some of your settings, and where was it? Yep, manage your Google account. Okay. Menu. Where was it? Oh, here. Okay, here it is. Yep, this is how you do it. Not pressing here, but press just the dots here and manage accounts. Manage accounts, press on account, and then you will just gonna press remove account. I'm not going to remove the account now, but this is how you can log out of your Gmail. So this is how you do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. And also write me down below in the comments what else would you like to learn, and I will make a tutorial on it. Have a great day everybody, and see ya in the next video.